Hi, this is Vanessa Wilcox, and this is my Module 3 submission of my evidence of how I'm applying the things that I learned to my current teaching during distance learning. And so here I am at my homepage, and I did a lot of PD. I went to a lot of webinars, and I also looked up a lot of YouTube videos on how to customize my page like this. So I had to learn a lot of coding and HTML codes to get the colors how I wanted them. And another thing that I did a lot of PD on was Zoom. And so each day I have a Zoom meeting for my students. And so I click here, and each of my students come on, and they know to come on at 11 a.m. and they click here. And I've been getting about half of my class to participate, which is super awesome. Sometimes I have more and sometimes I have a little bit less, but I have a lot of students of mine that come each and every day, even though that's not necessarily the expectation of my class. It's really exciting to see that they want to engage with me like that. Another PD that I did and have learned a lot about was Google Voice. And so this is how I do a lot of contacting with my parents. Sometimes I call them, sometimes I text them, but that just makes sure that I save my personal number from being seen and used. And another thing that I've done a lot of PD in is using my Google Drive, and so I've done a lot of studies on how to use my Google Drive and how to use the different documents. I have a document that I keep all of my communications on, and that's how I'm keeping that organized. We did a lot of device checkouts through Chapman, so I've been getting really good at using these different types of docs and forms and sheets to keep my information organized. And that is how I have been applying what I've learned in my PD to my teaching of my page. I'm really happy with how customized my page is, and my students seem to really be enjoying interacting with it and liking the bright colors. And so I'm happy with the way that it looks and with the PD that I had to do to get it to be what it is.